do you guys want to do this weekend?
I think the fair is in town.
Ooh, that sounds fun.
I love the fair. Do you think... Achoo! Ugh, I hope I'm not catching a cold. What's wrong?
Bree, you just sneezed and coughed near our food.
I'm not very close to you guys or your food. Plus, it's not like I was trying to sneeze on your lunches.
Bree, you spread germs every time you cough or sneeze. Even if you're not directly next to us, it can still spread to us or our food. Germs can make you sick.
Anytime you cough or sneeze, you should cover your mouth to avoid spreading germs. That way, you don't make anyone sick. Plus, no one wants to sit next to someone who is sneezing or coughing without covering their mouth.
You're right, guys. I should have covered my mouth when I sneezed and coughed. I'm sorry. I don't want to spread germs, and I really want you guys to sit by me.
Thanks for apologizing. I wouldn't want to get sick and miss the fair.
Oh yeah, me neither.
Yeah, the fair food is so good. I love the corn dogs. They are...
Achoo! Thanks for covering your mouth.
Yeah, thanks.
No problem. I'll make sure that I cover my mouth when I cough or sneeze so I don't spread germs. I don't want you guys to get sick. We've got fun plans this weekend.
What were you going to say about the corn dogs?
Oh yeah, just that the corn dogs are the best with mustard.
That sounds awesome. I can't wait.
Me too.
Gonna be so fun.